Today I am going to do art and craft activity wherein we are going to learn about how to make DIY Budha craft. So for that we need certain material, and this craft is going to be totally an upcycle craft where we will be going to recycle certain materials. And this craft is, making Buddha craft is a very good way to show your creativity, and it also let you to go towards spirituality. So without any delay, I'm going to show you the picture that I have made, the craft that I have made. And as you can see here, this is the Buddha craft, and it is made by upcycling certain material. So here I have this cardboard. You can see the back side. It's a cut of a cardboard which you can easily get it from any kind of box that comes via courier or something, some packed material which comes in our house. And here you can see a tree, which is a paper mache activity. We have done paper mache activity and we have made this, and this is the 3D model of Buddha. So the first step to make this craft is to get this Buddha outline, and that is very tricky to get exact outline of Buddha. So for that we need a picture of Buddha in our laptop or in any kind of tab you can take. So here this one I have taken the outline from the laptop. So how to do it from the laptop? What you have to do, you have to just go to Google. You have to go to the Google and you have to type Lord Buddha clip art black and white. So this is the way you can get the Lord Buddha outline, and you can copy it to the Word page, or you can download the image and simply you can keep a white sheet over it. If you will download it, then it will be easy for you, and you can keep a white sheet of paper over it, and now you can see the outline of Lord Buddha. It's a tab, that's why it's going up and down. It's a touch screen, and if it is a laptop, then it will not move. And you can simply put it over here, and you can take a sketch pen and you can draw it. So let me show you how to draw it. Here is my Lord Buddha. I'm just keeping paper over it, and there we go. Actually the image is going, just shifting here and there. So it's very easy. It's very easy to draw it. Just see, here is Lord Buddha. I'm just drawing the outline of Lord Buddha. So this is the way you can get the perfect picture of Lord Buddha, or any kind of clip art. If you wish, you can put any kind of bird picture, or a girl picture holding balloon. So we can we can search any kind of clip art in the Google, and we can paste that picture. We can download the image, or we can paste that picture to Word page, and then it will not drag here and there. And we can just keep a white paper, and we will take a sketch pen and we can just draw the outlines. So this is the way you can get a clear outline of certain pictures. So what I have done, I have pasted a cardboard behind it, and then I have colored it black, and then I have cut it nicely using a scissor, and I have also created these tiny holes over here. So this is the way we can get the perfect Buddha. So my Buddha, the Buddha that I have pasted over here is little up from the background. So that's where the second step comes. So the first step of this beautiful craft is getting the beautiful clip art of Lord Buddha, and you have to paint it really in nice black color. I will show you certain images, pictures where me and my son together have you know, we are painting together and we are creating the paper mesh. So now I'm going to tell you about the paper mash. So for paper mash, what we can do? For paper mash, what we can do is we will take certain newspaper and you just engage your child, or you if you don't have a child, then you can do it yourself. You are very artistic and if you are very creative, then just do it by yourself. Just tear out the paper. It's really a stress buster. So me and my son together, we tore lots of newspaper and then we dip it in water. Just don't take too much of water. Half of this size ball is enough. Dip all the newspaper inside it and keep it overnight. Next morning, you just squeeze all the water from the newspaper, and you will get, you know, semi solid kind of newspaper mash. And then what you can do, you can mix little bit of glue. It will not be very smooth, so I have just given I have squeezed little bit water, and then I had given my son to squeeze the just play with it, and he played, you know, for a good half an hour. Then I mixed little bit of glue in that paper mash, and then we took little paper mash and we put here to make the ground of this beautiful picture. And then I drew this tree for my son, and he slowly put the he just put the paper mash over all these places. I also put little glue to stick these, you know, branches, and to complete the tree on the outline. First I had put the glue, and over that there was glue in the paper mash also, and slowly my son has just filled all the outline of the tree, and there we have got the tree. And we just kept it in the sunlight to get it dry. And I have seen certain picture in Google that just to have a idea of how should the background look like. So here before pasting all these things, I just put rough poster color, little yellow over here, and in the middle part it is, you can see it is red color, and in the lower part where the Buddha will sit, I just put the black color. And this is the way we have created this paper mash tree and the ground. So I wanted my Buddha to look 3D. So below this Buddha outline, I have put little bit of paper mash, you can see over here. So I just sprinkled little paper mash behind this picture, and then I had pasted this Buddha picture. And this is the way we have created this beautiful Budha craft. So this is totally, you know, a recycled craft, recycled material we have used here. We have used newspaper, and then this is also this cardboard is also the cover of notebook that was not in use. And this is the way we have got this beautiful Budha craft. So this is my craft. This is all about how I have created this beautiful craft. So I also wanted to mention that this craft is a part of my son's holiday homework, where the theme of the year is Yukitamo, and Yukitamo is a Japanese technique where they talk about peace and accept everything and expect nothing, and just open your heart to come everything, and don't take anything personally. So it is about spirituality, meditation, and being the part of Buddha is being a part of Yukitamo, peace and meditation. So this is a part of grade 3 holiday homework to create a 3D Buddha craft. And we have together, my son, of course he would not able to draw this because he's just 7 plus, so he would not be able to create such a fine Buddha clip art, 3D craft. So I have just scaffolding in between his craft making activities, so that he will get interested, and that's the way we have got this beautiful craft. So hope you like this video, and if you want the step by step tutorial of this video, then just comment in the comment section. I will create the whole video again, how to make this craft step by step. So hope you like the video, and if you want to learn any part of this in detail, then please mention in the comment. I will sure I'll make a video of those part. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.